everybody, so today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com, and Beebeecraft is a crafting company. They have all kinds of jewelry findings, they have silicone molds, they have all different kinds of things. They have silicone stamps, they have stuff that's already put together. So basically this is a YouTube program that they have, and if you have over 100 subscribers plus engagement and other criteria that are met, then you can apply to be part of their YouTube program. So if you're interested, I'm going to put the link for that down below. And I'm also going to put the link for all the products that I am unboxing here today below as well. So let's get started. Alrighty, so that's that. Now, they package everything very nicely. I think I'm going to be saving this bubble wrap so I can use that for other things. But I will, I'm going to put them to the side for now and open them one at a time. Okay, so these are just some little charms. Let me see. Let me go ahead and open these up. And what I was thinking I could do with these is possibly, I could always make like a little bracelet or something, but I was thinking I can put them into resin. Like that. Could go into the center of a flower. Like I saw Julia on Pouring Your Heart Out. She's been putting these little charms into resin to finish them off. So that could be very cute. Look at this, a flying pig. That is so cute. I don't think these were very expensive. But I will put the price on the screen. So that's number one. Oh, look at this. These are actually attached. They're strands of beads. And we have, so these are little turtles. Aren't those so adorable? And Starfish, very cute. Oh my goodness, very cool. Then you have some other starfish. And basically you have a turquoise and white color for each one. So these are the turtles. And then within the same bag, look how cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm definitely be using that. Okay, so there's that. And then, I mean, I think this was part of the same set. It came in the same bag, so I'll put all the information up on the screen for you, and I'm gonna have all of the products that I'm unboxing today down in the link in my video description with my discount code, which is Allison10, and that will get you 10% off your entire order. So definitely check them out. They have good quality products at a good price. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I guess I was on like a little sea kick. So these are little silicone molds for shells. They're little shell molds. So they're tiny, and they're going to be very cute. If I do like an ocean themed resin piece, that's going to be adorable. So, or I could even put these into like jewelry. So say like that shell right there, I can cast it and then make it into jewelry, or any of them really. I like that. That's going to be really nice. So. This one, this is a bottle opener mold, and it comes with the little plates. Oh, wow. So you actually, wow, I didn't realize you get 2 of them. So you get 2 of the mold sets, and each one has 5 of these plates with the screws, and the little screwdriver to make the bottle openers. So that's going to be lots of fun to make. I can't wait to get started with that. So this is like really nice. You get little feathers and this little design, and a little butterfly, little flowers. That's pretty, very nice. So that should be fun. I can make something with that. So basically I would probably use this as like a, what do you call it? A wind chime mold. And this comes with pipettes and finger cots, and then little, oh yeah, see, look, you get the little hooks so you can attach these, and then little jump rings, tiny little jump rings. Very cool. All right, so you get 3 of these. They're the same. You get 3 of these, so I'll just show you one. Let me take it out of the wrapper. This is one of those really nice chunky molds. So and it has all different kind of flowers, leaves. It's very pretty. So I'm looking forward to using this one as well. All right, so this is everything all together. So to start off, we have these little charms with a good variety. Then we had these beads, which can certainly be put into something. And those also came with little charms as well. And then we have these 2 of these shell molds. And this mold right here, the beautiful feathers and butterfly, and it looks like it could be it'll make a beautiful wind chime, I would believe. Then you have the bottle opener molds, and you get 5 of those little connectors, as well as the screws and the screwdriver times 2 sets. I didn't realize they came with 2 sets, but that's awesome. And then also these flower and leaf molds. Definitely go check out Beebeecraft.com. They have lots of good prices, and if you use my discount code, which is Allison10, then you'll get 10% off your entire order. I will be back to make some creations with these products. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.